let me know if you wanna go to that whole mile on the range. They got a lot of nice girls.